We're back in the Zebra ZEC and we're taking another deep dive into the supply chain with none other than Royston Poor, the vertical practice lead for Zebra, who is a supply chain guru. Royston, RFID technology, I want to have a chat with you about it today. We've seen barcodes that have been dominant in the supply chain for decades now, but there's a lot more interest in RFID. What is RFID?
Well, Andrew, RFID is radio frequency identification. It's a technology that's been around for quite some time, right? But it's gaining interest by business operations because it allows data to be captured, data that is immutable, that means it cannot be changed without authorization, and it can be used in a variety of environments, from the back of a shop floor, or shop front, if you will, manufacturing plant, warehousing, or even in a healthcare operating environment.
Automation is another word that we hear a lot in the supply chain as a critical way to combat all the shortages that we're seeing and to streamline workflows. How can RFID technology help streamline workflows?
Well, first and foremost, for RFID itself, when compared to traditional scanning requires multiple movements. You have to, there's a human element to actually scanning the barcodes, individual barcodes. When RFID technology is concerned, what happens is that multiple tags or RFID tags can be scanned simultaneously or concurrently by using mobile or static RFID readers, thus simplifying the process, ensuring that the data captured is immutable and is unchanged until authorization is given.
So we're basically looking at one person scanning boxes individually versus scanning, for example, a whole pallet load at once, which that represents a massive streamlining of processes. Can you give me some examples of how RFID is currently being applied in the supply chain?
Absolutely, Andrew. RFID can be used to track high-value products. So let's say if this product here is of a significant value, it's susceptible to theft, right? Most businesses who want to actually deploy RFID technology to track its location within a facility. That's one example. It applies to manufacturing raw materials, if you will, medical devices, right? Vaccines or high-value pharmaceutical products, and perhaps automotive spare parts.
Yeah, okay, so there's lots of applications in supply chain. Now, if you want to know more about the range of Zebra RFID solutions, the best way that you can find out more is just jump online, visit zebra.com.